everybody, and welcome to the Monday Minute. Today we're going to be looking at how to create views within the grid window of Restaurant 365. Views are little drop downs that you can select right here at the top to select different options. The one we're creating today is the option to create a view that is reviewing my AP payments that haven't cleared a bank reconciliation. So you can see right now I've filtered everything to be by the AP payment, and the last thing that I'm going to then want to do is scroll over here to the right. There's a column here that's for bank reconciliations. So I can then say, hey, I want to see everything that does not contain bank, because I've named all of my accounts to start with bank. And right here, you can see these are the accounts that haven't cleared the bank reconciliation. So I'm going to want to dig into why these haven't cleared the bank reconciliation. But what I can then do is save this view, and then from there, create that view. And now, save this view, rename it, which I'm going to want it to be AP payments unreconciled. Go ahead and create that view. And now, when I go to see this view, it'll be right here under unreconciled AP payments. So anytime I want to see this, I can select that. So, for example, let's say tomorrow I come in and I'm like, all right, what cleared my bank? I can now, instead of having to wait and enter in my filters, I can just quickly come here and see my unreconciled AP payments, and it'll add these filters in automatically for me. That should be the end of today's Monday Minute. Real quick, feel free to check out our website. This is where we're updating everything once a week with the different Monday Minutes that we have. You can see kind of the different services that we offer, as well as any kind of testimonials that some of our clients have given us. So we definitely believe in helping out in any way we can. So here's the URL, sendrestaccounting.com. So feel free to stop by and check us out. Thanks. Bye.